Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. If you want to learn Arabic in easy way, you should learn the Arabic phrases, which is most for the beginner. In this lesson, you will learn the Arabic different English phrases so you can speak Arabic fluently. So let's get started. The phrase one is speak in Arabic. The Arabic for the phrase speak in Arabic is تتكلم بالعربية. تتكلم بالعربية. Phrase 2. The phrase 2 is that is why. That is why in Arabic is لهذا سبب. لهذا سبب. Phrase 3. Phrase 3 is can we talk? The Arabic for the phrase can we talk is أيمكننا أن تتحدث؟ أيمكننا أن تتحدث؟ Phrase 4. Phrase 4 is how about you? The Arabic for the phrase how about you is ماذا عنك؟ ماذا عنك؟ Phrase 5. The phrase 5 is it is useless. The Arabic for the phrase it is useless is إنه عديم الفائدة. إنه عديم الفائدة. Phrase 6. The phrase 6 is it is right. The Arabic for the phrase it is right is هذا صحيح. هذا صحيح. Phrase 7. Phrase 7 is it is useful. The Arabic for this phrase is إنه مفيد. إنه مفيد. Phrase 8. Phrase 8 is see you soon. The Arabic for this phrase is أراك قريبا. أراك قريبا. Phrase 9. Phrase 9 is see you tomorrow. The Arabic for see you tomorrow is أراك غدا. أراك غدا. Phrase 10. Phrase 10 is I am outside. For this Arabic is أنا خارج. أنا خارج. Phrase 11. Not anymore. Arabic for this is ليس بعد الآن. ليس بعد الآن. Phrase 12. Phrase 12 is be at home. The Arabic for this phrase is كن في المنزل. كن في منزلي. Phrase 13. Phrase 13 is little by little. The Arabic for this is شيئا فشيئا. شيئا فشيئا. Phrase 14. It is you too. The Arabic for you too is أنت أيضا. أنت أيضا. Phrase 15. Phrase 15 is get away. The Arabic for get away is ibta'id. Ibta'id. That is all for today. Wait for my next video and don't forget to subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.